Hey guys, a lot of people have been asking me about setting up the computer to support the research for COVID-19 that Folding at Home is doing. It's very simple. First, you have to go to the Folding at Home website, which is foldingathome.org. Just click on Start Folding Now. So what you need to do is once you do get to the Windows installer or whatever installer, if you're running on Mac or whatever, get the installer, download it, and then what you want to do is install, well, save and of course install it. Once it's saved and installed, in my case it's already running, it's going to open up this web page once you have it installed. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is set up your name and your details. It's going to prompt you to do all of that, so do all of that. Once you're at this page, the first thing you do is set your power to light. Okay, what that will do is it's going to pause everything. As you can see, it's paused everything. All right. Now once you've done that, you want to go find the actual application. The actual application is in your taskbar. It's actually right here. So it's called Folding at Home. Okay, open up the advanced control panel, which is this. Now once you've done that, click on configure, go to slots. Okay, well, actually identity. Okay, so you can, of course, the identity that you set up earlier, it's gonna keep all of that stuff. Go to slots, go to CPU, click on edit, and over here you want to set the number of CPU slots to 1. Okay, it comes as -1. You want to set it to 1, because in case you do run the CPU research, it'll use one thread. It's not going to use your entire CPU. You don't need the CPU right now. All we're concerned with is the GPU, because all of the COVID-19 research is GPU. So we don't really need the CPU. So once you've done that, go ahead, click on save. And that's about it. What you'll notice right now is both the workloads are paused, the CPU and the GPU, both of them are paused. So to get them going again, what you want to do is you want to set the folding power back to medium. Both of them will start running. So at that point, right click on the CPU and say pause. Okay, so once you've clicked on pause, it's going to pause the CPU. It's going to only keep the GPU workload running, right? Now, once the GPU workload is running, you'll notice it'll tell you time to completion, all of that, what project you're running, 14401 and stuff like this. So you can actually look this up on the Folding website, and it'll tell you what research or what project you're supporting right now, your whatever project your computer is running right now. But most of the work that's coming through right now is COVID-19, so just keep it running. Secondly, and equally important, is you want to keep any disease selected, so that it'll just send you whatever work it has to. Right now, as you can see, it's actually running something to do with cancer, I believe. Yes, cancer. But a lot of the work that has been coming through has been COVID-19. Now, to prevent really high usage on your GPU and stuff like this, the tool I tend to use is Afterburner, is MSI Afterburner, as you can tell. So what I do is I take the power limit and I drop it all the way to 50%. Drop it all the way to the bottom. You'll see your temperature slider will move with it. As you can tell right now, I'm crunching. It's working. It's only 56 degrees centigrade. That's pretty much it. Yeah, and leave it like that. Happy crunching, guys.